Hello, my name is Josip. I'm 18 years old. I live in Zagreb. I go to Slava Raške school. My hobby is playing football and computer games.
Why I decided to participate in this project? Firstly, I was always worried about the problem of Earth. Many animals are dying because of us. Secondly, I would like to do something about the protection of Earth. Finally, I can influence my family at home and my colleagues in the restaurant to make less waste. So, all in all, this project is a new experience for me.